Welcome to Spectre Tech Solutions. Many viewers of this channel have asked that, when Vivo will release the new update for the Vivo Y71i. So, in this video, we are going to answer this question. But wait, before this, I request you to please like, comment, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Now let's begin. Now, I'm sharing my mobile screen, as you can see here. When I go to settings and scroll down, and click on system update, it shows, your system is already the latest version. From 4 to 5 months it displays the same message. Now, regarding this issue, when I've contacted the Vivo customer care, they replied us that, the support of this device is finished, means the device launched more than 3 years ago, and up to 3 years Vivo has pushed the updates for Vivo Y71i, and many of the users are moved to the new device, so Vivo stopped pushing the updates for this device, but Vivo will regularly update your system apps so that you can still use your device. So that is it for today guys, hope you like our video. If you like our content and watch more videos, I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and help us to reach 1000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.